Hey guys, it's Honesty and welcome back to my channel. It's another cooking time with me, and on tonight's menu is curry chicken Jamaican style. Thank you guys so much for the support. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, so let's start off with my ingredients list. So here I have my chicken. It has already been cut, cleaned, and washed with vinegar. So for my powder seasoning, here I have the all-purpose seasoning. And guys, I will be linking down all the information down in the description box so you can check that out. I have garlic powder, ginger. You definitely have to have ginger once you're doing curry, and I have some minced garlic, sweet pepper, red onions. I have a Scotch bonnet pepper, chopped carrots. I also have a sliced Irish potato. I just used one. And we have thyme, scallion, and of course guys, have to have curry powder. So we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning. Okay guys, so this is my chicken and all-purpose season mix. I forgot to mention that earlier, that it's both ingredients in that. I'll also add the garlic powder, and then I'm gonna add the curry powder. I only used one full pack of the curry powder, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and stir this together. So guys, normally when I'm cooking curry chicken, I add everything together, all the carrot, the scallion, the thyme, everything I add together and let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. But honestly guys, I was starving. I was literally hungry. So as soon as I finished season the chicken, I just started cooking right away. So like I said, properly or normally what I do is to add all the seasonings together and let it soak for a few minutes, and then once I'm ready to cook the chicken, I just take off all of the excess seasoning and then add the chicken only in the pot, and then throughout the cooking then I'll add the rest of the seasoning. But yeah guys, like I said, I was starving, but this way is fine as well, because you know, once you have your ginger and your garlic, you're good to go. You're not going to get no running belly. So guys, let's get started. So I have my Dutchy pot here, guys. It's a real Jamaican cooking pot, one of the best pots to cook out of. So I'm just gonna add a little oil, and just please guys ensure that your pot is well hot. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to burn the curry. So I'm just gonna add some curry to the oil and just give it a mix. And then after that, I'm gonna add the ginger and also add the garlic. So guys, once I'm finished sauteing the ginger and the garlic, I'm just gonna add the chicken to the pot and just give it a stir. Just stir consistently because we don't want the chicken to be sticking as well. So I'm just gonna stir for a couple more seconds, and then I'm gonna cover the pot. I won't be adding water as yet. It's definitely not time to add water. So just give it a stir and just cover it. It will also actually spring its own water as well. Alright guys, so after 2 minutes has passed, I'm just gonna add a little tip of water to it. As you can see guys, that's the amount of water I added. And I'm just gonna stir it and cover it and let it sit again for another 2 minutes. Bear in mind guys, this is how I do my curry chicken. There are other ways you can just add all of the water one time, of course, and add your veggies as well, and it can take its time and cook down. But I actually prefer this way when I add the water little by little. Yeah, I just think it cooks better, and then you know, I'll get a thicker gravy at the end. So yeah guys, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and add my chopped potatoes, and then I'm gonna add some water and give that a stir. and then I'm going to add the rest of the veggies. Alright guys, so I've added all my ingredients. I'm just gonna add more water to it and just let it cook. So guys, it looks like our curry chicken is finished. Look at that gravy. Do you see how it looks so thick and rich? Yes guys, this is what I wanted. So guys, I'll be having dumpling and sweet potato with my curry chicken tonight. You know, the other option would have been rice, but not having rice tonight. So guys, that's it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye now.